Next method we are going to learn is nothing but think, pair, share method. Okay, it is a type of cooperative discussion strategy. Okay, this is developed by Frank Lehman and his colleagues in Maryland. Okay, here there are three actions. First is think, second is pair, next is share. So that is how the name is, that is how it got the name. It got the name. Then how does it work? We'll see. First we are talking about the think, right? The first one is the think. Okay, first teacher is giving some question. Teacher is posing some question. It may be thought provoking question. Teacher is asking some thought provoking question, and then some prompt or some observation, something the teacher is doing, and the students should given some time to think. Okay, individually. Okay, students think. What they do is individually they think. Okay, students are allowed to think individually because teacher has asked some question. Okay, or teacher has given some prompt, or teacher has given some observation. So that topic, students will think individually. Okay, so individual work is first given, and then teacher is allowing the students to make a pair. Okay, so in the classroom, students are there. Okay, teacher is asking some question, and then after the teacher asks the question, they think, and then they're allowed to pair. So A is paired with, A want to be with B. Okay, so A is pairing with B. Okay, this is pairing with this one. Okay, and this particular student is pairing with this particular student. Okay, some sort of pair they do according to their understanding, right? Then they are allowed to do the partners. They are allowed to find the partners. It may be neighbors or somebody. Okay, and then they pair together. So A and B. Okay, they sit together, and then together they find solution. First they did alone. Now together they are finding the solution. Okay, they came students pair to talk about answer each whatever the answer they got, and then they discuss. They compare their methods. Okay, and their mental setup, and they write it, and they identify it, and they find that which one is the best answer, which is convincing. Best answer which convinces both A and B. They come out with single answer which is convincing both A and B, right? That is what they do. Next is share. Next step is share. So in this student talk in pair for a moment. The teacher calls the pairs to share. Okay, suppose the teacher selects this group G1. So G1 will present. So G1 is presenting their solution in front of the class, and they share their idea with the rest of the class. Okay, this can be done around, like a teacher can call by herself some group, or students themselves volunteer to come, or somebody may be raising their hands. Like this, teacher will select the group. Okay, often teacher or somebody will be there to record this responses is recorded on the board. Whatever the students say, no, G1. Okay, blackboard. Teacher will record, okay, Jeevan's answer. It is written on the board. Okay, it is recorded on the board, whatever the answer is told by G1. Same way, some other group teacher will call, and G2's answer is recorded. It is written on the blackboard. Then, suppose one question is there. Teacher is asking, that is problem of an area. Teacher is posing example. For example, teacher is asking some question involving area. Okay, teacher is asking some question involving area. Okay, what teacher will do is, when the question is asked to the students, teacher gives 5 minutes, okay, to find, teacher is asking the students to think. Okay, the first step is to think, right? First step is what? To think. Okay, teacher is giving some time to think. So some time is given for the students to think, to solve problems individually. So students solve that problem individually. Then teacher is asking to pair. Okay, what they do is they find one pair among themselves. So 5 minutes is given. The teacher will ask the students to find a partner, okay, and discuss about the solution. Okay, they should come up with a single solution. So what they do is students pair and find and discuss pair, and what they do, they discuss among themselves and find single solution. Whatever solution they have written now, they will discuss, and then ultimately they come up with the single solution, which is for both, it is they are accepting that sort of solution, consensus. They should have the same consensus. So they share the solution. These students pair, okay? They pair among themselves, and finally they get a single solution. Right? So the partners are discussing their solution. The teacher will roam around to see the partner students were able to make the correct solution or not. How the discussion is going on, like that. Teacher will go around the class. Next is the share. In this stage, a teacher will randomly select a group, or somebody is raising their hand. So like this, some group is selected, and they come to in front of the class, and they discuss their solution, and that is recorded on the board. Some pair discuss their solution. So some pair discuss their solution in front of the class. And solution is recorded on the board. Right? Like this, think, pair and share happens.